Meaning of giant killer.
Giant killer.
Giant killer.
Giant killer.
Giant killer. Giant killer is a term used to describe a person or team that achieves victory against a much stronger opponent. It is often used in sports or business contexts where a smaller, less well-funded or less experienced entity triumphs over a bigger and more established one. The term originated from the story of David, who defeated the giant Goliath with a slingshot in the Bible. Being a giant killer is widely seen as an impressive feat that requires grit, perseverance, and strategic thinking. It inspires hope and admiration in others who see the underdog succeed against the odds.